What's up, family? And we are back with another vlog. So we are just heading over to where we're going, Mum?
We're going to your band practice and our mother's prayer meeting.
Yes, so that starts at 4 o'clock. Prayer meeting starts at 4, but band is at 3. So this is the ritual that we always do on a Saturday. We come to church and yeah, I go to band. My mum is here because we have prayer meeting, and SATUU is actually at work with Black Cat, Jason. They work from Monday to Saturday. So I know you family, you know what the goal is, but just for our new viewers, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and like and comment down below. Let's get into this vlog. This song is dedicated to my TNS family. We love you. We just wanted to show you all of this because, you know, we want to share my life. Take me for what I am. Because I'll never change all my colors for you. That's it. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much. Just all that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look back very much further. I don't want to go or have to go where you don't follow. You wanna hold it there? It's passion inside me, can't run from myself. There's no place to hide. Don't make me come from above. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there. Or must you imagine you were there? Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't make me cry. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Wow, that was not good. I can't lose my voice for tomorrow for church. I went like this. It went. Don't worry, sis, I got us. Look how ugly. If I should stay. Wait, what's the song? I would only be in your way. Okay, sis, you go for it then. So I'll go the way. And I will always love you. I will always love you. I give and he carries that strength on because the fear is gone. You can't survive. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Feel like hope is gone. When it's gone, just look inside your heart. You will see the truth. Is it started? Oh, that's why I'm calling on you, Lord. Wait, it started. Sis, okay, let's start again. Sometimes it takes a mountain. Sometimes a troubled sea. Sometimes it takes the desert to get a hold of me. Your love is so much stronger than whatever troubles me. The news came to Jesus. Please come fast.
Bruh.
Lazarus is sick, and without your help, he will not last. Mary and Martha watched their brother die. They waited for Jesus, he did not come, and they wondered why. The death watch was over, buried for days. Somebody said he'll soon be here, the Lord's on his way. Mother ran to him, and then she cried. Lord, if you had been here, he could have healed him, still be alive. Jesus said, Mother, show me the grave. But she said, Lord, you don't understand. He's been there for days. The grave stone was rolled back. Then Jesus cried, Lazarus, come forth. Then somebody said, he's alive, he's alive. You may be fighting a battle of fear. You cried to the Lord, I need you now, but he has not heard. Friend, don't be discouraged, 'cause he's still the same. He'll soon be here, he'll roll back the stone, and he'll call out your name. She said, oh crap, I'm out of breath. That was so much dancing, backup dancing. Baby, lock them doors and turn them lights and low. Put some music on and ice the song. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never thought of feeling quite strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt feeling quite strong. That's it. supposed to be.
Be your man. There's no worry. Don't you worry.
Get it, girl.
And take our time. Come a little closer. Let's go over what I had in mind.
Lock them doors and turn them lights down low. Hey, yeah. How does he voice? Huh? Hello? This is... Hello? What may I ask this? If I... Well, I look on my leg with really make sure not. Ascribe to the guy that thinks he's fine. Also rolls up a sign. Always talking about what he wants. It just sits on his broke out. So no,
I don't want your number.
no,
I don't wanna give you money.
no,
I don't wanna meet you nowhere.
no,
I don't want another time.
no.
I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a blanket, get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side on his best friend's side, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a blanket, get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side on his best friend's side, trying to holler at me.
I can say I made it this far, 28 years later. I can't do that. I can't do that to God. That's God's. God deserves all the glory for that. Praise God. Jesus, thank you for that for our sins. Hey, mom and dad, welcome back home. It's good to see you. Hallelujah. Still look strong, still handsome. Just want to say thank you to the church. You guys really have done a lot.
Hiding?
Yeah.
And so you know Anya's room is like the walls here and the chairs here.
Yeah.
My dad was sitting right there, and I was just getting changed.
Dad.
I was getting changed for after a shower, and so I was like, and I'm like this. Shut up, Tana. Dad's right there, and he's like, F this, F that, and I'm like, Tana, shut up before I come there, drop you. This is what he said. Shut up, or I'll drop you and your missus. I was like. Whoa, so I was like this, boom, I had him like this, I'm like, shut up, Tana. He goes, you shut up, and I had him down, and I had him all like this, and I'm like this, what are you gonna do, slap me? No hesitation, he just went, and I'm like this, I'm like this. Bruh. I'm still, I didn't know what to do. Exactly, man. It was like, I was like, what? So I was like, I played it off, trying to make it look I'm more bigger than that. So boom, and I walked off. Yo, man, it's not all. I'm not all. Edwin.
My name's Demo.
This is my auntie.
Silone. I'm married to Sera's uncle. And yeah, we're just kicking back here with the Tanvasas. Peace.
This is my uncle.
Hi, my name Lemau Mayava Tapsoa. Yeah, I'm come here to visit for my sister Bill and family. Thank you.
Youngest Bella. Oh, who's the oldest? Who do you comment down below? No, don't say. Comment down below who you think is the oldest out of these 5. Well, we obviously know Bella's not, but out of these guys, it's Tana.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we are the TNS family.
Lanston. 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 Okay, what's up TNS family? So I'm currently in Kmart, and like I just seen this and I had to show you. $1. $1 for this. Where are we going wrong, guys? Where? How is this $1? I mean, I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't. It's too cold. It's too chilly for that. Like I would be going for this if this was $1. But oh man, I love came up. Okay, so we are in Tarnet. We came to support Tarnet Church. It's one of our branches of our churches, and they've just started up their volley, and my auntie actually invited us, so my mom wanted to come and we thought we'd tag along. But yeah, this is them. Yeah, it's a big hall. Pasta Tui. Oh, the tag is still on. Anyways, my team, I don't even know what this is. We lost and my team was on for ages, eh mum? And that's Chris's team. And the pink is Chris. And spectator is Mother Dearest. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a mukbang. This mukbang is my mum just actually cooked up.
Where is your dad?
Your dad. My mum finished it, so she can get the credit for it. My mum just made
Mamoy?
Mamoy.
Lamb.
Okay, fine. Don't even mock him, you idiot.
This is the rice?
Chris. What's up, TNS family? We're back with another vlog. Oh no, wait. Move the mess. Chris, pass me a chair, black one. Go on, move over.
Can you see the rubbish at the back?
Where?
In the back.
No, you can't. Wait, stop eating. We're going to do the mukbang. Please. Move your chunk. What's up, everyone? Okay, so it is a Tuesday night, and my dad made dinner. He made mamoy, which is lamb, oven baked, and I've just got some rice on the bottom, which is the rice on the bottom. So I thought that me and Jason's having, Black Cat is having noodles. You know, it's these noodles that come in the box like this, and it's this one. All the fobs love it. No joke. The fobs love these instant noodles. And we have a bit of an audience. So I've got my mom, Chris, and my brother that's on the laptop. Chris, show Black Guy there. My brother got injured. He got injured at rugby. Okay, so we're going to be eating this, and I hope you can hear the crunch. So Chris, bring it closer.
Oh my gosh. The crunch.
Okay, so I'm gonna give this a go. Put some rice in my mouth.
Like you. Lick your lips.
Lick your lips.
How's it going?
That is so good. So good.
I'm too scared to eat.
Wait,
Something wrong with it.
I know. Lololo means fattening. You know.
Show that big one.
Like this. Fattening.
Is it nice?
No. Fattening.
Comment down below what you guys usually have for dinner. But in the Samoan house, we usually eat toast But there's just some nights if your parents feel like they've got the extra coin, they'll go and buy mamoe. Mamoe and what, Mum? And chops, flaps. And flaps. My mum, I love it when my mum cooks chops. Oops. That juiciness, so good. Tari can't be in the kitchen right now because he's actually eating his diet food in the room because Tari really wants to eat this with Jason and I.
It's finished.
I don't know why my mother's staring. Mom! I think my mother wants to wait for my father.
I don't want to eat.
Mum, put it back in or
No?
put it in here?
Put it back in.
Alright. They're going. I'm going to continue eating.
Papa, give me 20 to another talato.
Wonderful.
Give me some shoes. The shoes in the front. Baby, kan que assim vai comer para cá aqui? Então se fala dele.
So as I'm eating, he's against the laptop. My brother's eating. He's jealous.
He's eating shapes.
He's eating shapes there.
He hasn't had a home cooked meal like this in years.
He hasn't had a home cooked meal. I don't know, guys. I don't know since when. My brother came down for my wedding, and even then, I don't think my mum cooked. They were eating takeaway.
And lock my thing. And put on my thing. Lock me out. Yeah, lock.
She's gonna log you out.
I don't have to lock it.
Stop. Then log me out.
Yeah, baby, I'm waiting when you come and then because I don't know what to
Alright, give me a few seconds, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. This was a fail mukbang. Hopefully on our next vlog. No, I'm gonna promise you, I'm going to do, in my next vlog, stay tuned because I am actually going to do a seafood mukbang. I'm gonna do it. My husband said no. I think we're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. We wanted to do a quick little shout out to our comment of the day, which is
Comment of the day, a big shout out to Hannah Fuimono.
her comment read, I love how you guys are not afraid to share about God. You both are literally couple goals. Keep up the great work. I got food in my mouth. Keep up the great work, guys. Us Drams fam are major fans. Oh my goodness. So, Hannah Fuimaono, just to let you know, we are a major fan of yous. How did I do it? 1, 2, 3. Or something like that. We love you guys. Seriously, keep up the content. You guys are doing awesome. And TNS family, make sure you go and show some love and subscribe to the Drams family because they are awesome. Anyways, we love you, Hannah. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your comment. We love you and send our love to your family. And yeah, just say bye to my brother.
See ya, TNS family.
We love you, TNS family.
Till next time.
Bye.
I love you, fam. Take care. See you till. Alright,
Turn the
family.
flash on.
My
Sorry,
gosh, bro. Alright, family. So, I love you guys. Take care of yourselves. And I'll see you on the next vlog, yeah? Alright, fam. So, thank you very much for sticking around and watching this vlog. Until next time, I love you guys all. And God bless, stay safe, TNS fam.